Dear students, now today we are going to discuss about total derivative. So let us learn what is the total derivative. If w is equal to function of x, y, z is a continuous function of n variable, number of variables are n variables, x, y, z, let us suppose it is x, y, z with continuous partial derivative del w over del x, del w over del y, del w over del z, and if x, y, z are differentiable functions as x is equal to xt, y is equal to yt, z is equal to zt of a variable t, then the total derivative of w with respect to t is given by this equation. Okay, so this is the equation of total derivative. dw by dt is equal to del w over del x. This is with respect to x first, and then dx by dt plus del w by del y into dy over dt plus del w by del z into dz by dt. So this is known as the total derivative. So differentiation of implicit function under this total derivative, you have to study about the implicit function. You know what is the implicit function? The implicit function is a function in which the dependent variable has not been given explicitly in terms of the independent variable. Okay, अलग अलग ना आप लिख सकें उसको, or you may say if it is a function in which the dependent variable is not expressed in the term of some independent variable. Okay, yeah, like if f of xy is equal to c is a implicit function between x and y, which defines as a differentiable function of x, then you can write down this df. If this is constant, let us suppose, if this is not constant, then the case is different. But if this is a constant, and majority of in our cases, if the function is constant, then it is easy to see that df by dx is 0. If df by dx is 0, then what will be the this total derivative? Del f over del x plus del f over del y into dy over dx. Okay, in this way, you have to remember this. Dy over dx, in case the function is constant, then dy over dx is minus fx divided by fy. In short, you may write like this: minus fx. Fx is like this: fx divided by fy. You may remember this as this dy over dx is minus del f by del x divided by del f by del y. For example, if u is f of x minus y, comma y minus z, comma z minus x, then you have to show that del u over del x plus del u over del y plus del u over del z is equal to 0. This is an important result. How you can prove? So you can substitute this x minus y is equal to r, y minus z is equal to s, and z minus x is t, so that the function u is f of function of r is t, which may be the total derivative. Du over dx is del u over del r over del x, plus del u over del s over del x, plus del u over del t over del x. And in this way, after going through here and again from here, you can write del r over del x, and then from here del s over del x, from here del t over del x. So in this case, you will get these results. This is 1, this is 0, this is minus 1. And in this way, you may find out further du by dy also. So now putting all these values, and after doing simplification, summation, you will get here this this right hand side as 0. So this establishes the result, and this is an important result in this circumstance, in this situation. Now another part is coming, that is change of variable. If u is equal to function of xy, where x is function of phi of st and y is xi of st, here the function is different. You look, if this is different function, this is different function. Then if f is regarded as a constant, if you can take this t is regarded as a constant, then x, y, u will be a function of s1. Okay, if t regarded as a constant, then this is the function of s1 alone. Therefore, du by ds is may be written as del u over del x, del x over del s plus del u over del y and del y over del s. So in this way, you can find out where the ordinary derivative has been replaced by partial derivative. Why? Because here you have chosen if t is regarded as a constant, then x, y, u will be function of s only. Okay. So this is your assumption. Under this assumption, this you may write because x and y are function of two variables, s and t. Okay, the x and y are function of two variables, but regarding if you are treating one as a constant, then this will be as usual as we know in case of differential coefficient. Then in that case, if this problem, just to look another problem which is in polar coordinate, to transform the equation del 2 u over del x square plus del u over del y square equal to 0 into polar coordinate. Okay, so you know this is the simple equation, and polar coordinate you must remember ki x is equal to r cosine theta and y is equal to r sine theta. What is the value of r? R is under root x square plus y square. What is the theta? Theta is tan inverse of y by x. Then you can find out very easily del r over del x from here, del over from here in this equation. You can find out this, and then from here only del theta over del x. From here you can find out this del theta by del x, that is minus sine theta by r. And thus du by dx, after putting this the total derivative here the values, you will get cosine theta del u over del r minus sine theta by r del u over del theta. And then on simplification, we get these operators del over del x, del over del y, and del 2 u over del x square is del over del x of du by dx, and this is cos theta del over del r minus sine theta by r del over del theta in bracket cosine theta del u over del r minus sine theta by r del u by del theta. In this way, on simplification, you will get this result, and then after putting similarly del 2 u by del y square, just you do this practice. This is beautiful problem for the practice, and I want all these steps you have to calculate at your own, and then after adding the above equations, you will get del 2 u over del x square plus del 2 u over del y square is equal to this, and hence the transform equation is del 2 u over del r square plus 1 by r del u over del r plus 1 by r square del 2 u over del theta square is equal to 0. So in this way, you have seen this has been transformed into this. This is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a